come to Las Vegas for just a really short trip. We used the MyVegas Rewards app to book 2 free nights at the New York, which is where we are now. We haven't stayed here yet. So we've got 2 free nights here at the New York. It's honestly a really good room for free. Obviously we pay the resort fees. I love the mobile check-in. We got to our room so fast. I remember last time we were here with the Venetian and the Palazzo, it took so long to get into the room. The check-in process was horrible. So if we can do the mobile check-in, I would rather stay here at a less nice place. And this is our view. We've got a view of the MGM Grand and the roller coaster, which we're probably gonna do because we got MyVegas Rewards for that as well. And over here we've got a view of Excalibur and then obviously just a roof. But yeah, and that tint you're seeing is from the window. It's like a pink toned window. Very interesting. Then here is the bathroom. It's actually pretty big for just a basic room. Got a nice shower in here. Let's see, there's a shower head and a lot of space actually. We've got a full-length mirror here, my favorite part. And then of course it's just a basic king with a desk over here. Sam will always be there at the peace sign. And that's the room.